Hi, I'm Terran with ShipERP. Today, I'm going to identify 3 key ingredients of the SAP Intelligent Enterprise recipe. So, what is an intelligent enterprise? Put simply, the intelligent enterprise is a strategy that uses the latest technologies to turn data into actionable insights across a business. However, it's not a product that can be bought or implemented. It's an approach that uses emerging technologies to drive sustained growth while keeping your company agile in a fast-moving environment. SAP's technological approach to the intelligent enterprise focuses on 3 key ingredients: operations, the experience, and the intelligence. Of course, before I touch on the technical components of an SAP intelligent enterprise and how to implement and benefit from your own strategy, let's inspect these key ingredients a little more closely. Operational data is the what of business data. For example, transactions collected from day-to-day processes. Experience data is the why, collected from stakeholder sentiments in order to gain insights and predict demand. Lastly, intelligent technology brings operational data and experience data together to deliver powerful business outcomes. The architecture of an intelligent enterprise comprises of the intelligence suite, which automates commonly used business processes, the digital platform that facilitates the collection and connection of data, as well as the integration and extension of the processes within the intelligence suite, and the intelligent technologies, which embeds automation into core processes that enable applications to detect patterns, predict outcomes, and suggest action based on accumulated data. With SAP's enterprise software portfolio at your company's disposal, you can redefine the end-to-end customer experience, increase productivity, and transform workplace engagement amongst team members. To start, you'll need to clearly define your business goals across the whole organization. While business outcomes can vary by industry, a strong focus on customer experience is the common link shared by all. From there, your organization will need to implement an experience management solution, a business technology platform, and a suite of applications to perform at the highest level. Now, you can form the foundation of your intelligent enterprise with data management and cloud platform technologies to unlock success in the experience economy. To find out if your organization is an SAP Intelligent Enterprise, click the link for this video. Until next time, this has been Terran with ShipERP. Thanks for stopping by.